This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Missy Johnson. Gorgeous historic home with second parcel, 1516 Spring Street, in CA zoning allows commercial or residential use. 2 parcels, with or without restaurant business, for sale. 2,200 square feet building was thoughtfully restored in 2013 as a restaurant but could be converted to other uses, such as B&B, office, or a residence. For an investor buyer, award-winning, profitable restaurant has significant upside potential, and a local restaurant operator devised a plan to take over operations and maximize profits. Details available upon request. Owner is serial entrepreneur ready for next venture. 3 outbuildings. No sign on property. Owner requests discretion in sharing listing to only serious buyers. For more information, review the details below or contact Missy Johnson at 865-584-4000.